Office of the Director General Assam Rifles, Shillong has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 81 Rifleman Riflewoman general duty posts against sports quota in the Assam Rifles. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of post: Rifleman Riflewoman GD. Number of posts: 81 posts. Discipline-wise vacancy: Football, 10. Athletics, 24. 10. Pencaksilat, 4. Cross country, 12. Archery, 4. Boxing, 10. Sep, 2. Badminton, 5. Cross country, 12. Archery, 4. Boxing, 10. Sep, 2. Badminton, 5. Age limit: candidates' age must be between 18 to 28 years as on the 1st of August 2023. Candidates should not have been born earlier than the 1st of August 1995 and later than the 1st of August 2005. Age relaxation: the category-wise age relaxation is as under. SC, 5 years. ST, 5 years. Educational qualification: matriculation from a recognized board. Sports qualification: players who have participated in any international competition, national competitions, inter-university tournaments, national sports games for schools, national award winner in National Physical Efficiency Drive. Application fees: UR OBC 100. SC ST Women ES NEEL. Payment mode: online. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online for these vacancy by visiting official Assam Rifles recruitment portal. Starting date of submission of application: the 1st of July 2023. Last date of submission of application: the 30th of July 2023. Advertisement details and online application link: check the description box.